So we have our polished elbow with our tile blow-off valve. We installed it on here with the provided clamps and the O-ring, of course, inside the middle. Now we're going to route this down in this angle here, get it into our silicone, clamp it here, and then this is going to go to our throttle body. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I just want to show you before we put this on last. Here's the intake air temperature sensor. We removed this from the hose that was prior in our stage 1 system. We'll put it here, same thing there. It just goes in and it has little teeth and it kind of quarter turns into there. You know, take your time on this part here. Tight fit and goes in. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. We'll go down there. I'll pull this out of the way just so I can get a little more room to work, and we'll go from there. So I'm installing the charge pipe here, and as you can see here, the AC lines are just a little bit in the way. So what I want to do there is real simply, but carefully, you know, you're just going to manipulate them just enough to where they're out of your way. Now this refrigerant is under pressure. You're not going to want to overdo it at all. Just enough. Okay? So it'll go in. It's a good tip right there. Just with your hands. No tools, no pry bars, nothing. Just with your hands. Move a little bit. Test fit it. And you can move a little bit more. Real slowly, real carefully. And you'll be good. So, got it in there. It's real good. Clearance, no rubbing. Real simple. I'm going to put this hose here. Okay, but first what I want to do is I want to add my vacuum hose routing for my blow-off valve. It's very important. Just keep these pieces out of the way. Real simple. Here's our T. It's going to go down here. It's already pre-assembled. We're just upgrading this. So this will go here. Find a good mark for us. There we go. Install the T. Okay, we'll route it down here and plug it in. Okay, excellent. Last, we'll put this on and to our throttle body. Okay, plug in intake air temperature sensor. Actually, I can put this back now. Okay, there's the fit. All right. Now, let's install these zip ties pretty quickly on our hose, vacuum hose going to the blow-off valve. And then we'll also attach the one down on the blow-off valve as well. Okay, we still got to put our hose clamp on the throttle body. We'll do that pretty quickly. Cut all these off. Okay. Another fully banded stainless steel clamp, of course. Make sure it's all the way up. Get this one nice and tight. All right, so that's this side. Now, while we're going, let's put our engine air filter on as well. And that would pretty much wrap up the top side. Okay, we can put our grill on, hook up our lights. Okay, then we'll go around, put our pins in. Okay, in just a minute I'm going to put the engine cover back on. That's very simple. And we're going to top off our power steering fluid. This is our stage 2 upgrade for Prodigy Performance, 3.6 liter turbo. Largest intercooler on the market for the max amount of heat exchange and power second to none. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks for watching.